The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in the Kupiansk direction, operational, tactical and army aviation, and artillery of the Zapad group of forces inflicted a fire damage on the units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Granikovka, Timkovka in Kharkov region, and Stelmachovka in Lugansk People's Republic. Also during the day, actions of 5 Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance groups were foiled close to Novoselovskoye, Rozovka, Artemovka in Lugansk People's Republic, and Masyutovka and Pershotravnevoye in Kharkov region. More than 40 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 2 pickup trucks have been eliminated in this area during the day. In the Krasny Liman direction, Russian artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the center group of forces thwarted a counter-attack of the enemy close to Seversk in Donetsk People's Republic, and also hit units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Nevskoye and Chervonaya Dibrova in Lugansk People's Republic. Over 80 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 2 motor vehicles and 1 D-30 howitzer were destroyed. In total, 406 airplanes, 228 helicopters, 3,673 unmanned aerial vehicles, 415 air defense missile systems, 8,545 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,078 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,504 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,302 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Armed Forces of Ukraine, in a statement said Russia lost 550 servicemen in a single day, including 2 tanks, 6 armored fighting vehicles as well as 10 artillery units and 6 drones. In total, Kremlin lost 176,249 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,629 tanks, 7,005 armored fighting vehicles as well as 306 jet fighters, 291 helicopters, and 2,283 drones. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 406 days. There is still no peace agreements between 2 sides. Ukrainian side also shows footage of Avenger air defense missile system. Commander of the United Forces of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, Lieutenant General Serinayev said Avenger anti-aircraft missile complexes are already on combat duty in the northern operational zone. They are capable of providing short-range mobile air defense for civil infrastructure facilities, units of the security sector and defense against cruise missiles, unmanned aerial vehicles, airplanes and helicopters at low altitudes.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.